In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Cardano on Yoroi step by step. So the first step is to go to your Yoroi wallet here and click the delegation list here, and you can sort the staking pool by ticker or by score, and you can choose your staking pool here. You can see here the ROI or the return of ADA, which is annualized, and you can see here the total share of all ADA being staked in the pool, the cost, the pledge, and the block. So for example, we're going to choose the first one. Click delegate, type the spending password, click delegate, and then go to your dashboard page. And now you can see here the stake pool delegated, and you can earn your rewards every 5 days. So if you are having a problem in your rewards, these are the explanations. So there are many reasons why you could be getting less rewards than you expected, and these are the reasons. So the first reason is that a stake pool you are delegating to either was or is offline, so it did not make any blocks. The second reason is that there is not enough time has passed since you delegated. The third reason is that a stake pool you are delegating to charges a flat fee greater than the pool's total reward. And lastly, the fourth reason is that a stake pool you are delegating to was or is saturated. And that's it. If you have any questions about how to stake Cardano on Yoroi, leave a comment below.